All right, again, just a couple more examples. What you need to realize is on page 660, you're going to see something about postulate 11. And then on page 662, refers to theorem 6 and 7. Now again, these are very important. At this point, we've talked about each one of these types, and there's even a proof at the bottom of page 662 that's proving theorem 6. But the key part that you guys need to have down is that you can look these up to refer back to, so you may want to take note of those pages or take some time to review those as we go through. So we're going to jump straight into, again, another practice problem. So here, dealing with another proof. Now the other one that we had was way more complicated, it took way more time. Here it's using all of our new theorems and postulates. So first and foremost, notice on your diagram that it's saying that from here to here, this line is parallel to this line. Then the other two lines are also parallel to each other. Here it has 2 arrows and this is 2 arrows, so these are the 2 parallel to each other. So it says AB is parallel to, or A is parallel to B, C is parallel to D. They wanted to prove that 1 is going to be congruent to 3. So here we go. This is our given, A is parallel to B. And it says 3 and 2 are supplementary. Well, let's take a look. Here's 2, here's 3. Well, notice that here you have them on the inside in between A and B, and they're right on the same side. So that means our reason could be same side, interior angles. So C is parallel to D. Now this is going to be very similar, or basically the same reason, just looking at 2 different ones. Now focusing on the pink lines. So it says 1 and 2 are supplementary. They're on the same side of a line and they're on the inside in between those 2. So we can say same side, interior angles. So then it says finally that 1 is congruent to 3. Now notice it says 3 and 2 are supplementary, 1 and 2 are supplementary. The connecting point is 2. So that means 1 and 3 must be congruent. So you can either use transitive property, congruence. It'd be tempting to use substitution, but because we're dealing with congruent signs, we have to keep it just as transitive. So there you go. There's going through another proof using some of our information that's new for us today.